Wowomart is actively building a global sales network supported by a comprehensive warehousing and consignment supply chain. We have not only established an overseas platform for the development and production of electronic products, both hardware and software, but also built and expanded an e-commerce network that supports global marketing across major countries and regions. Our services extend across Southeast Asia, including Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, the Philippines, Indonesia, and the United States. We provide suppliers with essential services such as cargo storage, inspection, consignment of individual items, and bulk shipment. Wowomart will recommend high-quality products to various sales terminals within our network, facilitating localized distribution and increasing the sales volume for suppliers. Wowomart leverages influential e-commerce platforms in various countries to implement online direct sales, quickly integrating into local consumer markets. Through the Wowomart.com website, we establish a complete sales closed loop, focusing on office supplies and smart electronic products to create a specialized vertical shopping platform. Wowomart's operations team consists of professionals from diverse countries, equipped to handle cross-border and cross-platform e-commerce. We provide a comprehensive range of services designed to help you succeed in the global market. OEM customization services, app customization services, market development support, online media promotion and support, product videos and graphic materials support, and 24/7 product after-sales service support. They excel in online store development, event planning, advertising, page optimization, and social media traffic management. We have successfully scaled operations from 0 to 100 million. We invite investors to entrust us with their operations, as we can choose products, target markets, and platforms based on their preferences. We have created an ultra-light entrepreneurial model for investors without the need for factories, products, or personnel. Wowomart understands that stunning visuals and engaging videos are crucial for attracting consumers. Our professional team offers partners customized graphic and video production services, ensuring that products resonate deeply with audiences. In the Bangladesh Free Trade Zone, we have a robust multilingual customer service team. In each target market, our localized employees offer professional pre-sales and after-sales services, ensuring a seamless customer experience. Utilizing ChatGPT's e-commerce intelligent service model, we provide global multilingual support, allowing every customer to experience our professionalism and dedication. We understand the importance of every order. Together with our partners, we build localized pallets, integrate delivery systems, and provide drop shipping services for wholesale and retail across various countries. Join Wowomart and let us lend you a helping hand. In a fast-growing market with 6 billion consumers, our partners can fully leverage our overseas manufacturing platform, software development platform, e-commerce sales platform, social media platform, and online customer service platform. Together, we can mitigate the risks of going global and smoothly achieve a complete process from research and development to production and sales. We also warmly welcome interested investors to join us in driving brands to the international stage.